Printing Day. Printing Day and its importance. Kids, every year February 24th is celebrated as World Printing Day in honor of Johannes Gutenberg, the father of printing. Thanks to Gutenberg's invention of the printing technique, we are intellectually enriched today. The printing method was initially discovered in China. In ancient times, materials such as paper, ink, and engraved printing images were used for printing. Ink was applied to carved text and a damp paper was placed over it to create an impression. This method was primarily used for printing religious texts. In Germany, Gutenberg developed the concept of movable type printing. He also invented the printing press with type. Gutenberg is known for printing the Bible, one of the first major books to be printed using this technology. The period between 1434 and 1439 was crucial for the printing industry, as this was when Gutenberg developed metal type printing. This process faced many challenges, such as misaligned letters. Originally, Gutenberg was a silversmith by profession. He later collaborated with John First to establish a printing business. Printing technology was introduced in India in 1556, first arriving in Goa through the Portuguese via ships. The primary objective of this technology at that time was to facilitate religious conversions. Printing was introduced in Maharashtra in 1882 by the American Mission. They started printing by bringing Devanagari script type from Srirampur. Thomas Graham, who worked in this printing press, learned the process of creating type matrices and later developed Devanagari and Gujarati script modes. From him, Ganpat Krishna Patil, associated with the American Mission, learned the matrix making technique and established his own printing press in 1827. Patil used line paste for printing and developed a technique for printing almanacks, means Pancham. He also started the Akshar printing press. With advancements in printing technology, computer-based printing commands allowed printing to be completed in less time. Later, the internet and digital media further evolutionized printing, making it easier to type and publish content instantly. All of this progress was made possible because of Johannes Gutenberg, the father of printing. We pay our deepest respect to him.